Hey there, welcome to the Science of It. I'm Eric Burris, joined by Luke from the Orlando Science Center. And Luke, I've got two kids that are fascinated with dinosaurs, and I see dinosaur things that are interactive. So let's talk about that.
Yeah, I mean, dinosaurs are one of the coolest things of all time. They
Sure.
existed millions of years ago, but the hype is still real
Yeah,
today. So today what we have, talking about dinosaurs, we have a hands-on activity that anyone could do at home.
Yeah.
It takes household supplies, which is really cool. So dinosaurs were a type of reptile.
Right.
And one of the key distinctions of reptiles and us as mammals is the live birth
Right.
versus eggs. So reptiles predominantly reproduce using eggs. And what we have here are baking soda eggs, which
Okay.
hopefully have some dinosaur friends inside of them.
Okay.
So these eggs are made up of a baking soda and water paste.
Okay.
And then to give this one a little bit of color, I added just some brown food coloring.
Fancy.
So very simple things.
Yeah.
And then what we have here is we're gonna make a little bit of a chemical reaction to mix some vinegar in the baking soda and hopefully dissolve these eggs and see what's underneath.
So parents, you can do this paste and hide a little dinosaur friend in there and then let your little ones kind of do it. So let's go for it and just kind of see what happens here.
Awesome, let's see.
So you're applying, and it's just vinegar.
Just vinegar.
And so the idea is the vinegar and the baking soda are...
Creating that chemical reaction,
Yes.
and then as that chemical reaction kind of takes place, everything's gonna start to dissolve, and you can kind of see a head peeking out right there.
Hey, are we paleontologists right now?
It looks like we are. It looks like we have a brachiosaurus popping out here.
Oh. How would I learn how to make this baking soda water paste?
Yeah, so it's just a 1-to-1 ratio. So if you had 1 cup of water, it would be 1 cup of baking soda, or less or more, depending on how big you want your eggs to be.
Yeah. Oh, look at that. That's so fun. Now, December, Dinosaur Month, we've got the lights on the Dino Digs exhibit upstairs, but there's also opportunities to really learn more about the real life dinosaurs. Talk about that.
Yeah, so we have a paleontology party happening here December 14th and 15th. Should be a really cool time. We invite all to come. Can learn more, see more, and it'd be a super awesome experience.
Luke, thank you so much, buddy.
Yeah, no
This is
problem.
so fun. And thank you for joining us for the Science of It.